Welcome to today's class or in this video. We are going to discuss about pedogenic or soil forming processes. So very interesting topic. Let's go in deep. So we all know the rock and this rock will weather and this weathering involves a lot of types of weathering are there, physical, chemical, biological. All those types of weathering we have discussed in our previous videos. So the link is given in the description. Please follow that. And after weathering of this rock will leads to formation of parent material, and this parent material again with the help of some genetic factors or what you say called soil forming factors will undergo some soil forming processes. So this soil forming process is very dynamic and very complex process. What will happen means one or two factors will counterattack each other, or there another two factors may end up with the same result. That means there are two types of soil forming factors are there. One is your specific pedogenic process and fundamental pedogenic process. We are going to discuss in this class. So both this process might be simultaneously will counterattack each other, or one or two factors will act and end up with the same result, that is formation of soil. So very first we will discuss about the basic pedogenic process according to how they are involved. What are the basic pedogenic process involved in the soil formation? What are the factors, how they are forming? So in basic pedogenic process involved in soil formation, what are the different factors or different things are happening? Very first, gains. Very first we will see some gains in this basic pedogenic process. We can see some gains that is done by the water, mostly rainfall. The water, what type of gains we get? Sometimes we get some organic or mineral matter to the soil due to the water. Due to this pedogenic process we can see some gains will be there, though by water, mostly organic or mineral matter. After that we can see, and if there is a gains means automatically there will be some loss of above parent material. So water might bring, for example, in a lowland area we can get the new though new weathered material, but at the same time in upland area we can see some loss will be there. There will be some loss of those weathered parent material. And after this, what will happen? We can see some translocation or a movement of soil material. So remember these words in a basic pedogenic process. These are the these are the processes involved in the pedogenic process. Translocation or movement of soil material from one point to another within the soil. Remember this word, within the soil. So this one word will lay a lot of foundation in coming classes. So try to be please note down this one word, within the soil. Translocation or movement of the soil material within the soil. And another one is your transformation of mineral and organic substance within the soil. This one also. See this one. So these are the things which are going to be operate in the fundamental or a basic pedogenic process. What are those? We can see some gains or addition of water, mostly by rainfall. Either those gains will be organic and mineral matter of the soil, and another is those gain materials will be lost above the soil. And what will happen? These gain or lost material will be translocated or movement through of the soil material. So there will be some translocation from one point to the another. And sometimes what will happen, these translocated or gain or lost material will be transformed within the soil. So all you see, both this transformation translocation are happening within the soil. So remember this word, within the soil. Why I am giving more stressing means there is a meaning, there is a lot of importance is there within the word. So let us see. So in translocation, especially if I want to say in translocation or movement of soil material from one point to another within the soil, as again usually divide into what? Movement in solution. So within the soil, the movement in solution. In solution, it is called your leaching. So what is leaching and all? We will see in the coming slides. And another is your suspension, that is called elevation. Fundamental pedogenic process, one of the fundamental pedogenic process, elevation of clay and organic matter and hydrous oxide. So these are the usually two things which is happening in a translocation or movement of your materials within the soil profile. Thank you.